Hello, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be making an exploding box. It is a wedding exploding box and I'm using the newest Lemoncraft collection, which is called Elegance. It's beautiful Shabby Chic collection with very light papers with beautiful designs. So I'm starting with the exploding box base. I have it pre-scored. I buy it pre-scored. You just need to fold along all the lines and glue it together. I have pre-cut all the papers to go on the box, so I'm starting with the lid. You will need one bigger square and the smaller rectangles to adhere to the sides of the lid, and then I will be covering the box base. So please visit the description box below the video if you would like to see exactly which papers I used, but they are all coming from the Elegance collection. So for the outside side of my box, I'm just using that white brick patterned paper. It's very shabby chic and I thought it will be perfect for the occasion. I have planned my compositions on each of the sides. Of course, when I will be sticking it all together, it will become a slightly different version of what you can see. But this is the plan, so it will only change a little bit, and I will show you step by step how I embellished each side of the box and then the center of the box. In the center I will have a beautiful couple on the bridge. It is a 3D chipboard element from Bloomar Design, and I have also a separate video showing you how to build that how to put that 3D element together. I will link the video in the top corner, so if you have that chipboard, you can check how to assemble it. All the flowers I'm using today are handmade by me out of foam yarn, and I used Lady E Design cutting dies to create them. In the description box below the video I will provide you exact sets I used. I also die cut doily, tags and leaves with Lady E Design dies. Other elements are cut out of the Elegance collection. I will leave you with the music for a few minutes. You can see how I created each composition and how I decorated the center and the lid, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. My project is almost ready. I also used a glitter that was off the camera because actually when I finished the video I thought I should add a little bit of glitter to my project. I added a clear glitter, so you actually cannot see it very well, but it adds a nice touch to the box. So you probably will see it when I will be showing you the box at the very end. I want to thank you very much for joining me today and for watching. If you create a project inspired by my video, please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan, so I can see what you have created. I hope you like the video and you like my project. I really love it. I think it's beautiful and it will be a great gift to my friend who is getting married soon. That's it for today. Thanks again. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.